The following tutorial is about how to remove your keyboard from your laptop. This mainly applies to ACER laptops, but can apply to other models, so feel free to apply as you wish. The first thing you're going to want to do is to be sure that the AC connector is disconnected and that the battery is out. After those have been done, open up your laptop. As you can see, keyboard. What you're going to want to use, I'm using a screwdriver. You feel free to use whatever small object you wish. At the very top of your keyboard, there's going to be little divots. You're going to have to push those in, and the keyboard is going to come out forward, like so. The divots may be small, so make sure you look and properly push them in. Otherwise you could hurt the keyboard. Now what you're going to do, as soon as they're all popped up, slide your fingers across, make sure that there's none left, and pull towards the screen, this way. Pull the keyboard out, and here's your keyboard. What you're going to do next is take the ribbon cable and push down the little bar attached to it and disconnect the ribbon cable. You have now removed your keyboard, and I'm now going to show you how to replace it. Now that you've fully disconnected your keyboard, you have the laptop and you have the keyboard. The ribbon cable is in the back. This is the part that you connect to the keyboard. You take the same connector that you disconnected it from before with the black bar, push down. You take the ribbon cable again on your new keyboard, you push it in, and then you pop the bar back up. I've done this a couple times, so make sure that when you've done this, or when you do this, that you please be careful, because this ribbon cable is very fragile and you don't want to harm your keyboard. Next thing you can do, put your laptop down, take your keyboard, put it back how it's supposed to go, align the very bottom with the bottom base of the keyboard slot, and push. Push all the way around to make sure that's completely in, and voila, you have now replaced your keyboard. Feel free to put the battery back in and connect the laptop, and you are good to go. Congratulations, enjoy your new keyboard.